Oh, there's still that's even better.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Ready to rock.
Here we are. You're taking over today, huh?
Oh, in place of.
Yeah.
What a wonderful guy you are. I love Toby. I really do. You've won a special place in my heart, Toby. And if I don't have a special place in your heart, you're in big trouble, young man. You know you do. Zero! I love Zero. Zero's always on time, man. Always on time. Yes. Come here. Because I don't want to get my mind filtered with garbage. I'm saying I'm trying to keep away from garbage. No. I said, stay away from garbage. Not that what you were going to say. No, I said, what is it that you want to say? No, what is it that you want to say? You want to wait after church? So you don't want to infiltrate negative stuff. Is it positive stuff? Yes, positive. Don't take it. Because it don't hurt you. That's why I need something. I'm trying to teach you. Like now? Make believe I'm Pastor Oh, okay. I guess you're forgetting.
Morning. Hey, girl. How are you?
Good.
Fine, too.
Got your snacks on, Jack?
Yeah, today's the elephant dinner.
Oh, yeah, that's your gift.
Secret dinner,
Yeah. What
white
time is it out
adults exchange.
again? 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my gift. I have to wrap it though.
I brought mine thinking that there was be a Christmas tree to put it under and it'll just come over and arrive, considering it's today, the 11th.
Later on.
Right, 6. Yeah, message 2 is, it's a message 2. That's all it knows. It's haunting or the Christmas past ghost. Merry Christmas, Mr. Toby. Shut. You're being filmed. I'm kidding. That was a bad one. It's a Polaroid. Here's it back. Honest. You received it back? Did you hear how nice number 11, the date is our exchange dinner? We're having message number 2. I did. I read it. Oh, you got more coffee. Oh, so sweet. Hey, Jen. Oh, jeez, her phone just did that all by itself. Your telephone. I saw.
It flies around the chair. Kick it up there.
Hug time.
That's great. I can put a book and a phone and a purse and it will jump over it.
A book, a phone, and a purse, and I was just gonna.
I put it inside the Bible and it jumped out, okay?
You put it inside the effing book.
It jumped out. I'm like, I don't know what to do. That thing, I'll try it in the bag. It might jump out of here too.
Just happens. I saw your coffee and I'm doing it. It looks good.
It is. Okay.
You were
I gotta
just,
go
you
make
just like,
have coffee for others.
okay, cool. All right, I hugged you. Hi, mister.
How you doing?
Good. Sorry. Oh, look, this song.